Welcome to Color Street. In this video, I will show you how simple and easy it is to use Color Street 100% nail polish strips. It is so easy to apply for salon quality manicure in minutes. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Let me tell you more about Color Street. Their nail polish strips are chip resistant and they can last up to 10 days depending on how active you are with your hands. There's no drying time, so you don't have to worry about smudges or streaks. It's convenient, making it travel friendly, and it's easily removed with nail polish remover. How perfect is that? Each kit comes with everything you need to get that perfect manicure in minutes: a nail prep pad, a file to use, and also 16 long-lasting strips that you will just love using. Before starting, make sure that your nails are nice and clean. You want to make sure that there are no oily residue on your nails. So what I like to do is give my hands a good wash with soap and water. And then there's also a nail prep pad that is in each kit that you can use to just swipe over each nail to make sure you've got everything off of it. Please note that each nail polish strip is for one-time use only. It's made with 100% real nail polish, and it combines three things that make it chip resistant and smudge and smear proof and lasting for 10 days. There is a top coat, a color, and a base coat, all in one. Take your time in finding a nail polish strip that fits your nail bed the best, whether you have short stubby nails like I do or longer ones like my daughter. You are sure to find exactly what you need. Okay, we are heading into the fun portion of the video. It is how to apply these easy nail polish strips, and let's start with step 1. Step 1, remove clear cover. Step 2, peel polish strip. Step 3, remove tab and select the end you want to use. Step 4, apply to nail and gently stretch to fit. And last, with step 5, gently file excess or remove with fingernail. Now just sit back and relax as I take this process in fast mode and show you how easy it is to put it on, and I can't wait to show you the final result.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at, 'cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe.
The pros at Color Street recommend that you apply the polish to your thumbs at the very end. This is exactly what I did, and I did find that it was easy and stress-free, so make sure that you do that too.
No, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at, 'cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need.
Please give this video a like and comment below. What do you think about Color Street? Check my description box for the special promo. When you order 3 Color Street polish strips, you will get 1 free. How awesome is that? Please find me on Instagram at Debbie S. Savage and visit my blog at To Thine Own Style Be True. Thank you again, and I will see you at my next video. Bye.